dangerous and most powerful machines, ingenious tools, and equipment. In the vast expanse of industrial machinery, there exist behemoths so powerful and inherently dangerous that they captivate and intimidate in equal measure. These machines, designed for tasks ranging from construction to heavy lifting and earth moving, represent the pinnacle of engineering prowess and raw power. Below, we delve deep into the details of some of the most formidable machines gracing our planet today. Shantui DH46C3. The Shantui DH46C3 bulldozer stands as a testament to the evolution of earth-moving equipment. Robust and relentless, this machine's primary role is to push large quantities of soil, sand, rubble, or rock with extraordinary efficiency. Its heavy-duty tracks provide exceptional ground hold, making it highly effective on slippery or steep surfaces where other machines might struggle. The blade, engineered to perfection, can move tons of material in a single pass, significantly reducing the time and labor required for large-scale earthworks. Moreover, the Shantui DH46C3 is not just about brute strength, it incorporates sophisticated controls that allow for precise manipulation of its movements, enhancing the operator's ability to perform complex tasks accurately. Liugong 925E. A colossus in the world of excavation, the Liugong 925E excavator is a machine of high efficiency and versatility. Designed to dig, lift, and load materials, this excavator's strength lies in its hydraulic arms, which can tear through hard earth with the finesse of a sculptor. Its bucket, capable of holding several cubic meters of material, makes it an excellent choice for mining, road construction, and large-scale landscaping projects. The 925E's engine, a powerhouse of durability and endurance, ensures that it can operate for long hours without faltering, even under harsh conditions. What sets the Liugong 925E apart is its emphasis on environmental friendliness and fuel efficiency. Liebherr HS 8200S. The Liebherr HS 8200S is a hydraulic crawler crane that combines strength with agility. Designed for jobs that require high precision, such as the construction of wind turbines or the assembly of large structures, this crane can lift colossal weights to great heights with astonishing accuracy. Its boom and jib configuration offers a variety of setups, allowing it to adapt to different tasks with ease, making it a versatile addition to any construction fleet. Safety is paramount with the HS 8200S, as it includes features like load moment limiting and real-time monitoring systems to ensure that all operations are conducted within safe parameters. Atlas Copco St7 LP. The Atlas Copco St7 LP is a low-profile loader designed specifically for the tight confines and rough conditions of underground mining operations. Its compact size belies the power contained within, capable of scooping and transporting large volumes of ore in environments where space is at a premium. This machine's robust construction ensures it can withstand the abrasive conditions underground, from rockfalls to dusty tunnels, providing a reliable workhorse that miners can depend on. Equally important, the St7 LP is engineered for operator comfort and safety. Its cabin is a fortress against the external environment, equipped with advanced air filtration systems and reinforced to protect against impact. Liebherr GTM GBKF. The Liebherr GTM GBKF represents a leap forward in the technology of mobile harbor cranes. Specially designed for loading and unloading cargo at ports, this giant boasts a combination of mobility, strength, and precision that sets new standards in maritime logistics. Its towering structure allows it to reach across large cargo ships, facilitating the rapid movement of containers and other heavy loads, significantly cutting down on port dwell times. This crane's advanced drive systems allow for smooth and fast positioning along the docks, while its high-capacity lifts minimize the number of moves required to empty or fill a ship. Liebherr Sk12 AT6. A masterpiece of engineering, the Liebherr Sk12 AT6 tower crane dominates city skylines where it is often seen constructing high-rise buildings. This crane can reach dizzying heights and lift enormous weights, thanks to its superior design and materials technology. It is specially engineered to handle the demands of skyscraper construction, offering features that ensure stability and robustness, even in challenging weather conditions. The Sk12 AT6 is not just about power, it also incorporates cutting-edge technology for precise control. Operators can maneuver even the smallest components with pinpoint accuracy, a critical factor when assembling complex structures high above the ground. Liebherr LTM 15810. The Liebherr LTM 15810 mobile crane blends flexibility with formidable lifting capability. It's designed for those situations where the setup space is limited but heavy lifting is required. This mobile crane can navigate tight spaces with ease, deploy quickly, and then lift weights that are typically the domain of much larger, more cumbersome cranes. Its sophisticated telescopic boom allows for a variable reach, adaptable to different needs and job site configurations, making it incredibly versatile. What truly sets the LTM 15810 apart is its attention to operational safety and efficiency. Zoomlion ZTC252NE. Zoomlion's ZTC252NEV is a revolutionary electric truck crane, paving the way for sustainable heavy lifting. Its all-electric design signifies a significant shift away from traditional diesel-powered cranes, offering a cleaner, quieter alternative that can operate equally effectively indoors and outdoors. This crane is particularly useful in urban environments where noise and emissions regulations are becoming increasingly strict. The ZTC252NEV can perform complex lifts without contributing to air pollution, making it a forward-thinking choice for companies focused on environmental stewardship. Additionally, the ZTC250NEV does not sacrifice power for sustainability. Grove GMK6300L. The Grove GMK6300L all-terrain crane is a force to be reckoned with in the lifting industry. Designed to operate in both urban settings and challenging off-road conditions, this crane combines the maneuverability of an all-terrain vehicle with the lifting capacity of a heavy-duty crane. It can navigate narrow city streets and rugged job sites with equal agility, making it a highly adaptable tool for a wide range of applications. Its impressive lift capacity and reach allow it to tackle jobs that would typically require much larger, more stationary cranes. Siren's SGC250. Dubbed the Big Carl, the Siren's SGC250 is currently the world's largest land-based crane, with an astonishing capacity to lift 5,000 tons and a maximum height of 250 meters. This crane is designed for use in sectors like nuclear power and petrochemicals, where enormous components need to be lifted and placed with extraordinary precision. The SGC250 is not just about size, it's about revolutionizing how large-scale construction and engineering projects are executed, providing capabilities previously deemed impossible. The operational scope of the SGC250 requires not only a massive physical structure, but also an intricate array of supporting technologies. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.